In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme on Ecwid easily. If you've been looking to give your online store a fresh new look or just a little tweak, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step, making sure everything is clear and simple so that you can get exactly the result you're after in no time at all. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to www.ecowid.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Ecwid account. If you're new to this, make sure you have your login details handy. Logging in will bring you to the main dashboard, your central control hub for everything in your Ecwid store. Now, for those using the Ecwid instant site, you'll want to navigate to the website section and click on Edit Site. This is where you'll make all the customizations to your online storefront. However, if you're embedding your store on another website, you'll need to go directly to the design section. Either way, this is an important part of tailoring your store's visual appeal and functionality to your exact needs. Once you are in the design area, it's time to dive in and get creative. Click on design to start exploring the different ways you can alter the look and feel of your site. Here you can let your creativity shine and ensure your storefront not only looks great but also reflects your brand's personality. There's an array of elements you can customize to achieve your desired look. You can tailor the overall store layout, deciding whether a grid or list view suits your products better. Check out the categories and ensure they are organized in a way that's intuitive for your customers. Adjust the style of the product cards to highlight the key features of your items and catch customers' eyes. Don't forget about color schemes. Choose one that complements your brand or contrast for more visual impact. You'll also want to select fonts which enhance readability and blend with your overall style, and think about the appearance of buttons to make sure they stand out on the page. These customizations are not just about aesthetics. They are about improving user experience. One of the best features of Ecwid is that any changes you make are saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your hard work if you accidentally navigate away. Plus, you can preview your changes live as you make them. This means you can see exactly how everything looks on your site in real time and make adjustments on the fly. And there you have it, a brand new customized theme for your Ecwid store. Making these changes can dramatically impact how customers perceive your store and ultimately contribute to your success. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.